Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare organic chemistry for NEET step by step. Start with clear goals, map syllabus to high-yield topics, schedule study blocks, and collect resources. Focus first on nomenclature and functional groups, then learn mechanism patterns and reaction types. Practice with targeted problems daily, review mistakes immediately, and use spaced repetition for retention. Balance conceptual learning with timed question practice to build speed and accuracy. Start your core study by solidifying key concepts that recur on the exam: nomenclature, structure, and mechanism logic. Use arrow pushing consistently to visualize electron flow and recognize recurring mechanism templates. Create a reaction sheet summarizing reagents and outcomes, then test yourself by predicting products. Regularly translate textbook examples into problem practice and explain each reaction aloud to reinforce understanding and retention for exam day recall. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more videos and tips. Quick recommendation: books read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite for comfortable, distraction-free study sessions and organized highlights. I find it handy for revising reaction summaries during commutes or breaks. Check the description for the Kindle Paperwhite link and other study deals if you want one. Thank you for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Adopt a disciplined practice routine that builds both accuracy and speed through repetition. Begin with topic-wise problem sets to identify weak areas, then schedule mixed, timed minute tests to mimic exam pressure. After each session, log mistakes and convert recurring errors into focused micro-goals. Use spaced repetition to revisit tough concepts and gradually increase test difficulty while tracking progress. This iterative cycle sharpens intuition and exam readiness effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.